Alright guys, good morning. Welcome back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are all doing well today. Bitcoin is pumping. The crypto market is pumping. So I do want to give you guys an update on what is happening with the crypto market and of course Bitcoin itself. There is a fair few Bitcoin charts that I want to show you guys. Okay. And I'm here to tell you guys that we should not be panicking right now. There is no reason to be panicking right now for Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, there really isn't, guys. We know we are in fact about to enter Q4. We are in fact about to enter, the most bullish month ever for Bitcoin, which is October, and then November and December are pretty decent times for Bitcoin and crypto as well, right? So we are in fact about to enter Q4. So understand, we are finally at the home stretch right now. Okay, and we are in fact about to enter the next bull run. So why would you sell now? And there is in fact one specific chart that I want to show you guys for today's video, indicating that we should not be panicking at all. We should not be panicking at all. We should not be fearful right now for Bitcoin and crypto, especially during this time right now. Even though yes, it's September, and September is usually one of the most, if not the most, bearish times for Bitcoin and crypto, even the stock market, right? In general, September is just a really bad month. But let me just show you guys what is happening right now with, of course, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin this morning pumping. Okay, like I told you guys, Bitcoin is actually making a move today. We are in fact in the 1 hour time frame, and you can clearly see Bitcoin is now pumping all the way up above $57,000. At one point, actually went all the way up to about $58,000. So Bitcoin right now is pumping, guys. Okay, yesterday we saw Bitcoin at about that 54 to 55k level, and now it's back up to 57 and $58,000. So that's amazing to see for Bitcoin finally making a move. Ethereum, of course, is slightly pumping, not as much as Bitcoin though. Okay, still above $2,300, which is great to see for Ethereum, right? But Bitcoin is pumping today, right? It is making a move. So Yasin's clearly see, okay, the entire cryptocurrency market is up over 4%, and the global crypto market cap is now above 2 trillion. Okay, so that's great to see that the global crypto market cap is back above 2 trillion. Past 24 hours, Bitcoin is up over 4%, 4.5%. Ethereum is down, sorry, not down, up 2%. Okay, I don't think anything is down right now. A lot of greens in the market today. So yeah, Bitcoin is pumping more than Ethereum today. BNB is up 3%. Same with Solana, up 3%. Okay, Dogecoin a whopping 7%. Dogecoin is now back at 10 cents. Okay, what else is there? Toncoin 6%. Okay, Cardano 1%. Avalanche 2%. Right, Sheeb 3%. Chainlink 2%. Polkadot 3%, and the list goes on. Right, so a lot of altcoins for the past 24 hours all are obviously pumping. Right, so this is great to see for the crypto market, right? A lot of greens today, which is great to see as always. Okay, but I'm here to tell you guys that this could potentially be a trap, right? This pump right here, okay, that is in fact happening right now for Bitcoin, right? This could potentially be a trap because I do see Bitcoin, like I told you guys, okay, in the next like few days, few weeks, just during this time of September, I do see more corrections coming back down to the downside because yes, historically, this month is usually a pretty bad month for Bitcoin. Okay, and we know, guys, we are in fact, about to get the rate cuts around September 18th. Okay, and once that happens, there is potential that the market will drop even more, right? So yeah, a lot of greens today, right? A lot of greens. Today is obviously a green day today for the crypto market. Alts and Bitcoin are in fact looking pretty good this morning. So that's always great to see, but this could potentially be a trap, guys. Okay, so that's that. Bitcoin monthly returns, okay, it's obviously gone down 3.6%, okay, for Bitcoin. I remember seeing this, it was down like 8%. So obviously has gone down because Bitcoin is pumping, right? So I still believe, okay, that we will see more corrections coming for Bitcoin in the next upcoming remaining few weeks for this month of September. Because historically, September, Yasin's clearly see it throughout the years for Bitcoin. In the month of September, usually September is a very bearish month for Bitcoin. We know that, right? So let's get into these Bitcoin charts, starting off with this one. Bitcoin right, is about to reach a new all-time high, a new peak. Okay, and a lot of people are in fact wondering, what is Bitcoin's peak going to be for next year in 2025, our next bull cycle? What is Bitcoin's peak? Well, I told you guys personally, I think $200,000 to 250 to 280, right, to even 300K and beyond is very, very possible for Bitcoin. Okay, it's very, very possible actually. So once we actually see Bitcoin breaking this resistance, okay, once we actually see Bitcoin pumping back up to its previous all-time highs, its new all-time high back in March of 2024, above $73,000, and it breaks that resistance line, then it will obviously go higher, right? So that's a key level to watch, guys, right? And then from there on, it's going to be history. Bitcoin's going to keep skyrocketing, okay? And of course, along the way, when we are in fact in a bull run, we will see corrections, okay? But it's going to keep rising, okay? I don't know if you guys have ever experienced a bull run, but it's crazy. It gets wild, trust me, okay? And there will be a lot of FOMO, okay? So if you're scared of full Bitcoin, remember that it is on a fire sale area. Accumulate Bitcoin cheap while you can. So Bitcoin right now, okay, you can clearly see on the Bitcoin rainbow chart, right? It is undervalued, okay? It is pretty much on a fire sale right now, okay? It's in the blue. It's basically a fire sale. So you want to simply accumulate as much Bitcoins as you possibly can. I've been telling us this many, many times now. This is the best time right now to accumulate as much Bitcoins as you possibly can. When you know Bitcoin is going to be reaching $100,000 in the six figs, right? And once we see Bitcoin reaching 100K and beyond, we will probably never see Bitcoin ever again dropping back down below $100,000. So while Bitcoin is still cheap, it's on a fire sale right now, and it's below 100K. This is literally a once in a lifetime opportunity to buy as much Bitcoin as you possibly can at a cheap price, because we will probably never see Bitcoin ever again at the 50K levels, right? So think about that. This is a golden opportunity to buy as much as you possibly can and prepare yourselves for the next upcoming bull run, right? So speaking about Bitcoin reaching 100K, this chart is just clearly showing you guys, okay, that Bitcoin is ready to reach $100,000. Okay, these last few dips before we see Bitcoin having a move up to the upside, and that's going to happen eventually, right? Once we actually see Bitcoin bouncing back up and breaking that resistance, okay, level, it's going to reach higher, and then it's going to reach new highs, $75 to $80,000 to 85 to 90, then eventually 100K. This is very, very possible. Okay, it's all about patience, guys. 100K Bitcoin is coming, and I told you guys, right? I still believe Bitcoin is still 100% on track to reaching at least $100,000 towards the end of this year in 2024. It's still on track, guys. Okay, it really, really is. There is nothing to be fearful about at all. Okay, now Sensei says here is where we are, 300,000 minimum for Bitcoin. So Yasin's clearly see, very, very simple. What Bitcoin did back in 2014 and 2017 will happen for 2022 and 2025. Okay, we had the halving, okay, and of course, right after, every single time, okay, we have, right after the Bitcoin halving event, Bitcoin tends to pump. Understand, it doesn't pump straight away. Like, look what it did back in throughout 2016, okay, and of course throughout 2017, okay, when we had the halving event in 2016, right, Bitcoin was consolidating. We didn't see Bitcoin pump straight away. A bull run didn't occur straight away, right? It took time. It took a few months' time, right? You can clearly see that. And then once 2017 arrived, that's obviously when things really kicked in, and that's when a massive bull run did occur for Bitcoin, right? You guys can clearly see this beautiful bull run occur in 2017, right? So this is where we are right now, okay? We had the halving a few months back, okay, in 2024, this year. And you guys can clearly see, ever since we had the halving, we didn't actually see Bitcoin making a move just yet. It's been consolidating. Like I said, guys, consolidations after a Bitcoin halving event is completely normal. Okay, we always see this happening. But understand, right after every single time, okay, right after a Bitcoin halving event, we always see a massive bull run, but it doesn't happen straight away. Understand that. So understand, very, very soon now. Like I said, we are literally at the home stretch right now, okay, of this consolidation phase. It's about to break, right? And we will shoot higher. Okay, and we're gonna enter a beautiful parabolic rally. Okay, big movement is coming for Bitcoin. 500k, we will see about that. But I really do believe 200k to 300k and beyond is very, very possible. As much as I am bullish on Bitcoin, I don't think we will see Bitcoin reaching 500k this bull cycle. I really don't, right? Maybe, of course, in the next bull cycle, but this upcoming bull cycle, I don't see a 500k Bitcoin. Maybe it will happen. I mean, we'll all obviously be really, really happy if we see Bitcoin reaching $500,000, $500,000. So we'll see about that. But we are in fact about to enter a bull run, guys. So be prepared for that. Okay. But this is what I really, really wanted to show you guys for today's video. And for all the people out there, okay, for all the people out there that are panicking right now, okay, that are scared right now for Bitcoin and crypto, okay, you guys are planning on getting out, you want to panic sell, right? You simply just want to press the sell button and just simply get out, right? You're done. You know what I mean? Like, Bitcoin has been consolidating, it's been boring. The crypto market has been boring as well. This chart is for all you guys. So check this out, right? Why would you get out now? This is where we are right now, okay? This is Bitcoin right now, 2024, this pink chart right here, okay? So you guys can clearly see this pink line is where we are right now. We are almost about to enter a massive bull run, okay? The orange is from 2021, and the yellow is from 2017. You guys can just clearly see, okay, right after a Bitcoin halving event, we do enter, okay, a recovery, okay, consolidation, movements, okay, and it happens in pretty much 2 years, right? And that's exactly what Bitcoin is doing right now, okay? And then we enter a massive bull run. So why would you sell now, guys? Look how close we are, okay, to entering a massive bull run. We know we are in fact about to enter Q4. Okay, quarter four, October is one of the most bullish months for Bitcoin. Okay, and of course, November and December are pretty decent as well. So why would you sell now? We just have to get through September, and that's that. Okay, and then we'll be on the move to a bull run, right? So understand, guys, soon enough, very, very soon, we are in fact about to enter a massive bull run. Okay, so that's that. It's all about patience, guys. We are almost there. Like I said, we are literally at the home stretch right now. Okay, we are almost about to enter a massive bull run. There is no point selling right now. Why you should not panic now for Bitcoin? Okay, this is the main reason, guys. Just look at this chart. There is no reason to panic right now. We just have to get through a couple weeks left for this month in September. And then once October arrives, that's when things will change for Bitcoin. That's when we're going to enter a massive parabolic movement up to the upside, right? So there is nothing to be scared about right now, guys. Okay, so just keep DCAing, buy as much as you possibly can while Bitcoin is pretty much on a fire sale right now. It's cheap, it's undervalued. Buy as much as you possibly can, hold it, and let the gains come to you in the next upcoming bull run. Because you guys can clearly see we are in fact about to enter a massive parabolic rally up to the upside. Okay, a bull run is coming, so be prepared for that. Right now, at the end of this video, I want to show you guys this clip. Okay, so Michael Saylor was in fact on CNBC, and he has said here Bitcoin is going to $13 million. $13 million, guys. Okay, now of course he is talking long term. Okay, but yeah, I want to show you guys this clip because this is actually very, very interesting. So check it out.
Bitcoin's 0.1% of the capital in the world right now. I think it's going to go to 7% of the capital.
7%.
My long-term forecast is it's going to go to 13 million over 21 years.
13 million.
13 million. But what is it 5 years from now? You're
$13 million in 21 years. So that is 2 decades from now. Crazy, right? Now, a lot of people out there have said, in 2030, okay, we're going to see Bitcoin at $1 million and over $1 million. Okay, Michael Saylor has predicted that. Cathie Wood has predicted that herself, right? So he's saying 21 years from now, we will see Bitcoin over $10 million per coin, right? Which is what? The year 2030, okay? 2040, sorry. So this is why, guys, okay? This is one of the main reasons why I keep telling you guys to accumulate at least one full Bitcoin. If you simply want to become wealthy, if you simply want to become a millionaire, you just have to get to one Bitcoin. Just accumulate and own one coin, one full Bitcoin. That is it. We know Bitcoin will be worth millions, not just 1 million, millions of dollars per coin in the future, long term. So once you accumulate one full Bitcoin, don't sell it. Store it somewhere safe, not in a exchange. Do not store your Bitcoin in a crypto exchange. Store it in like a hardware wallet, a cold wallet, right? So understand, guys, not financial advice, always do your own research, but understand if you simply want to make money, become wealthy, build wealth, build generational wealth, right? Not just for yourself, but also for your family and your future family, right? Accumulate one full Bitcoin. And let's just say you finally accumulate one full Bitcoin. Don't stop. Keep stacking. You never want to stop stacking stats. You want to keep accumulating for a lifetime, right? Bitcoin is the way to get wealth in the future. Okay, it really, really is. So that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. More videos will in fact be coming your way. I will keep you guys updated on what's gonna happen with Bitcoin. But Bitcoin right now, yes, okay, it's pumping today, okay, back up at $57,000, which is great to see for Bitcoin, but I really do believe this is going to be a trap. Okay, I do see Bitcoin having more corrections back down to the downside, so we will see. But on that, I'm going to go ahead and end it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.